Hi, so this is gonna be my explanation video about my Arkanoid delivery. So first, let's talk about the project. We can start talking about the project from the UML diagram. So here, this is the overview. So we have the game manager that oversees more or less everything. Controls the score, high score, live, scoring level, etc. And the game manager is directly controlling all these other classes. We have the ball controller for speed, increasing speed, and it also has its own collision detection logic. It has start launch sequence for launching, etc. The same goes to the pedal controller. This auto move is very important for it's for the autoplay feature. Also the expand pedal for the expand pedal power up. And here we have the brake manager, which together with the brake controller, they work together to create a feature for the power up, where the expand power up is a child class of the power up class, where the brake manager also is spawning for the bricks, of course. And the reason why my power up is controlled by the brick because my power up is spawning from the brick after they are destroyed. So in a brick manager, the similar situation. I have three type of bricks where each of them is a child. It's inherit from the parent brick class. Okay, now let's talk about the project. Here is the hierarchy where I have all the canvas for the different UI panels when the game switches different game states. And this is the ball background, the paddle, and these are all the managers that I have in the game. Audio manager, for these are the music and a different sound source for sound effects. The brick manager for different level settings for different types of brick. And the top power up, spawning the power up. The game manager for the maximum level, you can do the settings here. The boundary, different boundary for detecting collision and death collision. This is a UI. This is for the player control. And gameplay manager. It's a save. Okay, now let's see how the game plays. Also, my game is the bricks are spawning. The bricks are spawning based on the aspect ratio of the screen when we start the game. So it's dynamic. And as you can see, we have music in the scene, and we're gonna have sound effect in the scene. Click start game. So when the bricks destroy, it has a sound effect for breaking the bricks. Also when the player dead, also it bounces. So now you can turn them down. And for now, you can check out that we have autoplay feature. Actually, no. It's better if we check how the save system works. So apparently I need to have a delete save feature where we have the previous high score here. Now I'm gonna show you. It's working. I click delete save. It's gone, and the Canadian game is not allowing me to click anymore. And it has a visual hints. And now let's start the game. I can click autoplay, so it plays itself. Or I can click pause to pause the game, or I can continue, restart, or go back to main menu. So now there's another feature. In this case, we want to go to the next level quickly. We can press on the keyboard D to destroy all the breakable bricks. And now the high score is updated. Go to the next level. And you can see the lives in the different level It's all showing. And now let's break again. We finish the game. And now the high score is updated, and we can now either go back to the main menu or quit. And now after we quit, the save system should work properly to save the previous high score and different state entering the first, entering the second level. We're entering the previous level, the status of the life and the level and score is saved. So this is how the game works. And now let's go to the code, see how the code works. So for the main one, the main design, the program patterns I've used are singleton, game state, and observer, where basically all my manager script uses singleton since it provides convenient access for across the board for the manager when we need to use any methods within the manager. Here. And as for the observer, it's in my game manager. I'm using this action for the events, which they are responsible for updating the score and lives and notifying the game state change, also autoplay. And on the other hand, besides these two, I also have the game state. Obviously, I have a game state manager. These are all the different game state. And the game manager is controlling switching different states using the game state manager. So I don't have a lot of time, so that's roughly quickly how things works. So that'll be all.